Hey, welcome back to Click Zone HQ, where we're usually out in the wild. But yeah, today, once again, I'm just going to do another little technical update on what's going on with crypto, the broader market, but focusing in on Ethereum and XRP. I also want to show a couple of little tricks that I've learned along the way when reading charts and have helped me understand the movement of them and helped me also be a profitable trader. So let's jump into it. Let's go. This is the Ethereum chart. Right now we can see we've moved a little bit over the last few days. Not a lot. Like everyone's, could be thinking, oh, we're about to go. Yeah, it's absolutely, like I see that, we could absolutely start cranking from here. But my last video, I explained we need to really break this 2,100 mark. So yeah, that's still in play. But I did forget to mention last time around what this looks like down here. So when price moves down like this, and then we have these interesting looking candles like that. So these are two indecision candles. 1, 2. Okay, I'm going to put a little arrow on there just so you can see what I'm looking at. Ooh, there we go. One there, here. So those are two indecision candles. But as well, it usually means that we're at the end of a downturn. It doesn't always though, right? Like, because you can see it here. We've got indecision, and this is where you need to understand a little bit more of, technical analysis. We had price bang up from here, and then we had indecision. So it drifted for a while, but we had actually created a nice support level here. And as you can see, like it kept testing this floor, and then we came down, broke through it. There was another level here that we tested, and then we went up again from there. So yeah, what you can see is price come down, indecision, and now we're starting to get some movement. So we are at the end of this downward run, this downward spiral. We had one here, right? And then price banged up. But again, like we need to understand the entire market. Where was the best place for support? Because this was a nice big sell-off right here. So yes, we had strong support right here. Okay, price banged up. We had some good resistance along here. And then obviously we wanted to check if it was going to retest this area and then shoot back up. But you can see it clearly broke through, making it a strong case for support down here, the next level of support, which is, again, we've got our floor level, which is this blue line. Okay, and price has come down, tested, and now we're trying to claim some higher levels here of support, which will probably be around here and here. So if we're going to see any movement, we should see it bang up to the fair value gap, and then just above that is a nice level of resistance that we would like to turn into support for higher levels. Again, I do like this one here, which is the 2,330 level. And this one here. So yeah, I'm quite technical if you don't understand what you're looking at. But yeah, right now, just really quickly, we are looking like we've hit bottom. And also on my indicators, I built this one. You can see here we've come down. It's like green here, which is a buy zone for me. Right here, green. We also had a green here, right? So price came down, tested, and that's not a bad buy. Like if you look at the grand scheme of things, we come way down, and then if you were buying here and you saw this dip, yeah, that's not a worry at all, because you're still, I think this was about 50% down. Sorry, whatever it was. That was, 56% down, right? Almost 60%. Okay, so this one here is 70% down, right? So that's a big pullback, and it was quite sharp too. Very evident compared to the rest of the market. This one was a big one way back in the day. It looks very similar, right? And so are we going to see this movement here, up here? Yeah, it's totally possible. However, I think we're going to come up and out of this and then start doing it around here and then shoot for higher numbers. That's just what I see. So right now I'm sitting at a nice level where I'm just accumulating and just ready for this next ride. I am trading inside of this as well on the lower time frames. So I do have a 1 minute strategy that I don't recommend. It can be really aggressive and can turn on you really quickly. So you have to understand and know where to buy, and it can be hard. So I don't recommend it if you're learning, but like if you're going down the track of learning how to trade or read charts and what have you, I just say always zoom out and then start zooming in from there when you get a greater understanding. So zoom out for direction and then zoom in for position placement. Okay, so let's go and have a look at XRP. It's the same again. XRP, a slightly different chart. I'm actually seeing a little bit more bullish movement in Ethereum over XRP. I think we may still have one more dip to come in XRP, possibly just down to that, $1.13, 14 mark. Again, if we do cleanly break that, we could absolutely get another massive spike like this here, right? Right here was huge. That could easily happen again down here, which is that 80, 90 cent mark, which is great buying level. But again, my indicators are showing that I think this is the second time in all of XRP's history we've come this low in terms of indicators, screaming a buy signal. So, but these can also just drift along. That's why I like to see that. So if I'm looking at this and I'm going, where do I want to buy? I have to start putting in my levels where price will most likely come down to on support, and then this extremely oversold area down here, which would be a huge buying level for me. But prices come down. I do trust that we are at the bottom, but we could drift here for a little while before we start heading up again. But everyone seems to be waiting for this clarity news that I think it's going to be very good overall. Do I think it's going to send XRP to $100, $200? No, I do not. I don't actually believe in some of that hype prices. I just see what's on the charts and then I trade accordingly. Charts never lie. They give you good areas of buying and selling, and that's what I follow. And some people have another theory that you just keep investing in something all the way from the bottom here, and then once you've hit a target of $100, then you can take out and you've made lots of money. Yeah, sure, absolutely. Or you could buy the bottom, sell the top, buy the bottom, sell the top, buy the bottom, sell the top. So there's many ways of investing, and that's a total individual space, I believe. Like what I see here is what I see. Some people have different perspectives. Some people understand markets and see markets differently. So you want to understand a little bit about how this works. So yeah, so that's what I see on XRP. Possible downward spike, or we just break up and we start testing along this level of $1.76, and then we go higher. So yeah, that's both Ethereum and XRP. So I hope you enjoy that. Just a really small update. And yeah, if you have any coins you would like me to draw up on the charts, whether it's crypto or stocks, metals, whatever it may be, shoot me a message in the comments and I'll do a quick chart and put something up, and I'll put the buy areas and sell areas for you. And thank you everyone. Like and subscribe, and I'll be back with another one. So thank you all. Bless.